Hey there, are you looking to make money online from the comfort of your home? Whether you're aiming to start a side hustle or build a full-time online income, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through proven methods that people just like you are using every day to earn money online. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to creating YouTube channels and selling digital products. And here's the best part. Most of these methods require little to no upfront investment. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making money from home today. Let's dive in. Earning money online from home has become increasingly accessible with various opportunities available, depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Below is a step-by-step guide to making money online with detailed examples and approaches to help you get started. 1. Identify your skills and interests. What to do? Assess your strengths, skills, and passions. Different opportunities online require different skill sets, so it's important to choose one that matches your expertise. Examples. If you're good at writing, you might explore freelance writing. If you're proficient in design, you can consider graphic design or website design services. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you could become an online tutor. Steps. Make a list of your talents and hobbies. Think about what you enjoy doing and whether there's a demand for it online. Research how others are monetizing similar skills. 2. Choose a suitable online earning model. Depending on your skills, you can select one or more of the following models. A. Freelancing. What to do? Freelancing allows you to work on projects for clients in fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. Examples. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer platforms where you can find work. As a freelance writer, for instance, you can write blog posts, website content, or ebooks. Steps. Sign up on a freelancing platform, for example, Upwork, Fiverr. Create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and portfolio. Apply for projects or gigs that match your skills. Start small and build reviews to increase credibility. Pro tip. Keep updating your skills to stand out in a competitive freelancing marketplace. B. Online tutoring. What to do? If you have expertise in a subject, you can teach students from around the world. Examples. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Preply allow you to teach languages, math, science, or even coding. Steps. Register on an online tutoring platform and verify your credentials. Create a profile describing your teaching experience and subject matter expertise. Set a schedule and hourly rate. Start teaching students via video calls or live sessions. Pro tip. Offering free introductory lessons can help attract students early on. C. Start a blog or YouTube channel. What to do? Share your expertise, experiences, or knowledge through blogging or creating YouTube videos. Examples. A blog about personal finance, like creating a budget or saving for retirement, can attract visitors and generate income through ads and affiliate marketing. A YouTube channel focusing on DIY crafts, cooking, or tech tutorials can earn money through YouTube ads or sponsored content. Steps. Choose a niche that interests you and has a potential audience. For example, personal finance, travel, gaming. Create a blog, using platforms like WordPress or Medium, or a YouTube channel. Publish regular content that adds value to your audience. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Pro tip. Focus on consistency. It can take time to build an audience, but quality content will help grow your traffic and income. 3. Monetize your expertise via online courses. What to do? Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Examples. If you're good at digital marketing, you can create a step-by-step course teaching others how to run Google Ads or Facebook marketing campaigns. Steps. Choose a topic based on your expertise, for example, social media marketing, photography, web development. Record videos or create written material explaining the subject in a structured format. Upload the course to an online learning platform. Promote your course via social media or blogs to reach potential students. Pro tip. Offer discounts or promotions when you launch your course to attract your first batch of students. 4. Affiliate marketing. What to do? Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's or companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Examples: Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are popular affiliate networks. You can write product reviews, make tutorial videos, or recommend products you use. Steps. Join an affiliate program. For example, Amazon Associates, ClickBank. Select products or services relevant to your niche. For example, if you run a tech blog, promote gadgets. Create content around the product. For example, blog posts, videos, social media posts. Add affiliate links in your content and track clicks and sales. Pro tip: focus on high-quality, honest product reviews to build trust with your audience. 5. Sell digital products or services. What to do? If you're good at creating digital products such as ebooks, photography, or graphic designs, you can sell them online. Examples: selling an ebook on personal finance strategies on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Selling custom graphics, digital art, or website templates on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Steps. Decide on the type of digital product, for example, ebook, design templates, or photography. Create your digital product. Set up an online store using platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. Promote your product through social media, email marketing, or collaborations. Pro tip: once created, digital products can become a passive income source as they continue to sell over time. 6. Remote work or virtual assistants. What to do? Many companies are hiring remote workers or virtual assistants, VAs, to handle tasks such as email management, customer support, scheduling, or social media management. Examples: websites like FlexJobs, Remote.co, or even LinkedIn offer listings for remote work positions. Steps. Identify the tasks you are good at, for example, customer service, data entry, social media. Sign up on job boards offering remote or virtual assistant work. Apply for jobs and complete online training if necessary. Work remotely and manage multiple clients if possible. Pro tip: specializing in a niche service like social media management or bookkeeping can help you stand out. 7. Online surveys and microtasks. What to do? Participate in online surveys, user testing, or complete small tasks for cash or rewards. Examples: websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or user testing pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, or testing websites. Steps. Sign up on survey or microtask websites, Swagbucks, user testing. Complete tasks or surveys for rewards or payments. Cash out your earnings once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold. Pro tip: although this is not a high-income option, it can be useful for making extra cash in your spare time. 8. Social media influencer or content creation. What to do? Build a following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook by sharing content that resonates with your audience. Examples: food bloggers sharing recipes on Instagram or creating content on Facebook about travel tips. Once your following grows, brands may pay for sponsored posts or offer affiliate deals. Steps. Choose a niche for your content, for example, fashion, fitness, travel. Build a content strategy and start posting consistently. Engage with your audience and collaborate with other influencers. Monetize through brand deals, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Pro tip: authenticity and building a personal brand are key to long-term success as an influencer. Conclusion: the internet offers numerous ways to earn money from home, but the key to success lies in choosing the right opportunity for your skills and interests, staying consistent, and learning to market yourself. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, or building an online business, you can build a sustainable income with dedication and strategy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and you're ready to take the next step toward earning money online. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies to help you grow your online income. I've got a lot more coming your way. Also, let's stay connected. You can follow me on Instagram at Spark2Fly. In for more daily updates, tips, and behind-the-scenes content. I'm always happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.